During intimate moments, the size of a woman's breasts can increase by up to 25%. Regular physical intimacy, 2 to 3 times per week, can strengthen the immune system for many people who value sleep and nutrition equally as much as sexual activity. Older men often find women attractive, while men usually prefer younger partners. Engaging in physical activity once or twice a week can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. Around 38% of women go on dates mainly for free food, giving preference to romantic interest, so they are not just considered friends. The first sexual encounter has a unique significance for people, and women over 40 years of age can achieve sexual fulfillment through intellectual stimulation and emotional stability. Understanding limits and desires is essential for a positive sexual experience. Men 3 times more often seek out women. They notice attention from other women. Approximately 70% of women admitted that they might consider cheating if they were certain that there would be no repercussions. The intensity of women's sexual desires varies throughout the menstrual cycle. They appreciate when their nonverbal cues are recognized and when they receive support and empathy, especially when they are feeling depressed, which can significantly improve their mood. Nonverbal signals, such as pointing with your toes or playing with your hair, may indicate interest. Psychological stimulation of a woman can increase her chances of achieving orgasm. A partner's scent can increase the probability of falling in love by up to 97%, and the use of special creams during intimate moments can enhance sensations in sensitive areas. A wife usually agrees to have sex only when she is highly aroused. Some women may derive more satisfaction from oral sex with their partner than from traditional intercourse. During sexual activity, physical changes occur in a woman's body during sexual arousal, such as an increase in body and breast temperature. Women's ears are sensitive and can be stimulated by gentle touches or kisses. There is a correlation between the size of a woman's breasts and her reproductive organs. Intimacy begins with sensual touches, focusing on emotional connection and attention to a woman's breasts and reproductive organs. About 7% of women and 48% of men keep their eyes closed during sex. The average age for a first kiss corresponds to the beginning of adolescence. Eating a mixture of coffee, almonds, and milk in the morning has been suggested to help prolong climax during sexual intercourse. Men are attracted to larger breasts, as they may perceive them as an indicator of fertility. Women who enjoy oral sex may be more prone to cheating, while men in committed relationships may be less likely to engage in such behavior. Often people attach great importance to sex, even if they are not always completely satisfied with the relationship. Women need about 15 to 20 minutes to become aroused, and they usually reach sexual satisfaction within 20 to 25 minutes. When the male reproductive organ enters the female organs, female arousal increases. The average size of the female reproductive system ensures that the average size of a man's penis is more than sufficient for sexual pleasure. During ovulation, women often experience an increase in sexual desire. An emotional connection during sex can lead to a deeper and more significant experience. Successful relationships often attract women over the age of 40, as they take care of their appearance during intimate encounters. Experimenting with different techniques and positions can increase sexual pleasure for both women and men. Men often find women with larger breasts than the media standard more attractive, as they observe it during sexual activity. For older men, relationships with younger women can be challenging, as they often feel like walking along a tightrope. However, having sex with deep love for a partner can be beneficial and potentially improve sperm quality. Some women can only reach climax through breast stimulation, while for 70% of women, the first experience with sexual pleasure may not be pleasant. A gentle touch from a man on a woman's lips, throat, or neck can arouse her sexually and lead to immediate satisfaction. From time to time, around 65% of women and 99% of men engage in self-pleasure. A woman's past sexual experiences are usually kept private. Some women prioritize friendship over romantic relationships, while men often find satisfaction in helping women with larger breasts. Exploring and finding satisfaction through different approaches and positions during sex can enhance both women's and men's sexual experiences. Attractiveness perception varies. Men tend to find women with physical features that differ from those presented in the media more attractive, especially during intimate moments. Age dynamics in relationships. Older men in relationships with younger women often perceive this as a challenge, requiring a careful approach and a search for balance and mutual understanding. The importance of attachment. Deep and sincere love between partners can enhance sexual experiences and make them more meaningful and emotionally rewarding. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to turn on notifications and like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support, and we hope to see you again soon.